Let's go from this to this in few easy steps. I started off with a concealer that is a little darker from my skin to cover up all the dark spots. I let it set while I did my eyebrows, and then using a concealer brush I blended out the concealer, and you can see it's actually covered up all the dark spots. I just used a full coverage foundation. This is the Huda Beauty foundation. I applied it evenly using my fingers on my face, and then using a foundation blending brush I blended out the foundation on my skin. Then I used a loose powder, this is from Mars, to set out my base, and then used some blush and highlighter to complete the base makeup. Then using the Eyes Can Kill palette from Mars, I did my eye look. It was a quick 3-step eye look. I just used the lighter shade to blend my crease, then a darker shade to deepen the crease, and then some shimmer eyeshadow, and I added the brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line, added some kajal, and then set my base with a setting spray, and here's my final look. How did you find this look? Do let me know in the comments. Bye.